Alright, so we're at the Miracle Mile shops. And we're going to walk through the Miracle Mile shops because, as you know, nobody shows you Las Vegas shopping like I do. Whether you want to see it or not. So, this shopping center is curls around the outside of the Planet Hollywood Casino and Hotel, so, which is right over there. This is the main entrance as you come in off the street. So it's a bit of a maze through here, but this is one of the sort of good deals. You can find Ocean Walk. There's some good food prices. Earl of Sandwich. It's quite good. I like Earl of Sandwich. They make a good sandwich. The ABC store, nearly as ubiquitous as the Walgreens and CVS. Another sock outlet. They're everywhere. People love socks. Champs, that's pretty much a national chain. Along with the Fashion Show Mall, which we'll walk through as well. This is more of a normal kind of mall. I'm sure there's some high-end shops here, but there's a lot of just sort of normal mall outlets, which may or may not be what you're looking for. But if it is what you're looking for, this may be the mall for you. Little food court area here. The very popular Fat Tuesdays, where you can get the big slushy drinks. We'll come back around this way. Some jewelry stores. Again, just kind of your generic mall stores. Vegas, the store. You didn't know it was a store in addition to being a city, but it is. And the reason I walk down here, even though there's not quite as much stuff down here, here you can see another casino entrance. But this is the Axis Theater, which until recently was where Britney Spears performed. But still a number of very prominent acts do their residencies here. The Backstreet Boys, Jennifer Lopez, Lionel Richie, Pitbull, currently. So that's where the Axis Theater is. Some little places you can sit, rest, as in most every other mall. There's an ATM machine. Could do a whole series on Vegas ATM machines. I would like that concession. Good money. So, come to another fork in the road, and as I always say, when you come to the fork in the road, take it. There's a Victoria's Secret. She still hasn't told me what it is. But, if you come down this way, you'll be able to exit the mall out towards the where you can enter the Hilton Grand Vacations Alara. So if you happen to be staying at the Alara, and you exit the Alara, you'll be able to walk right into the back of the Miracle Mile shops. Another welcome to Las Vegas gift shop. So anyway, as this video is getting rather long, I'm going to go ahead and stop it, and we'll do a part 2. We'll show you the part of the mall that we didn't see. So thanks for watching. As always, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.